Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an active Playbook Cloud account and two-factor authentication for safety. Once signed in, install the desktop app or CLI so you can operate quickly. This saves time versus the web console. Create a dedicated bucket or folder for the project and choose the nearest region to reduce latency, then set a sensible quota. This prevents surprises. Make sure to note the bucket name and credentials. You will use them in the next steps. Now you transfer your data. Drag and drop or run the CLI sync command to push folders and use parallel threads for speed. Once uploaded, enable versioning to protect against accidental edits and turn on server-side encryption for confidentiality. This is why you choose Playbook's managed keys or bring your own. Tag files with relevant metadata to make future retrieval fast. Finally, apply ACLs or role-based permissions and immediately test with a non-admin account to confirm least privilege access. Finish by creating shareable links or signed URLs for collaborators and set expirations to reduce exposure. Once done, automate lifecycle rules to move cold data to cheaper storage or delete after a retention period, and enable alerting for quota or transfer failures. Make sure logging is active so you can audit changes. If something goes wrong, like a stalled upload, check your network, retry with the CLI resume option, and confirm you haven't hit the bucket quota. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.